My name's Dakota. I'm part of Team Comet Watchers. We're working on the STaRS judging app. Uh, it's an app for the STaRS event, which is kind of like Create here. It's more of like a science fair type thing where the judges go around and kind of grade posters and stuff. So I'll give you a live demo of the apps we've made or worked on. So the first one we have here is the judging app. So you can hop in as a judge. You're going to see the surveys that you're supposed to fill out. You can see a full list, find whatever you want to start grading. Say, hey, this person, kind of boring intro, did pretty good. Nice poster. And you can submit. So this is nice because it takes a lot of the paperwork out of, I guess, being a judge in this. I did have it to where you could click on these posters here to immediately bring up the grading thing for those, but I broke that before we actually uploaded this to the server. And then the other part of the app is the admin side, where you can see I think the server's down. Oh. Not sure. We just uploaded this last night. Works fine if we run it locally. Let's see. Yeah, that's definitely down. That's unfortunate. So I was also going to share the links so you can kind of play around with the app and get feedback on it if you want. So here is the Judges app. You can log in with the info STaRS 2019 and GGC 123. You're welcome. And if you have any feedback about layout changes or any usability things, please let us know. And hello to whoever else joined. So, Greg, so I'll give the rundown for you. Worked on a team this semester for the STaRS judging app. This app's for an event where it's kind of like a science fair. Students set up a little research poster. Judges go around and grade them. And so it's kind of a pain to deal with all that, like paper-wise. So there's been an app being worked on over the last couple semesters. And ideally, this should make it a lot easier for the judges to work with. So you can pull up any of the posters you're going to look at and just nice and easily fill out whatever information you want. So unfortunately, I think the server is down right now, so these posts aren't being synchronized. Let's see if this is back up. No. Hello, Dr. Gane. I do have that. I'll post a link for you. There you go. And oh, let me do that. It's all good, except I think the admin app has crashed.
Admin app is crashed. Let me check that. Do you guys have some visitors? Asha is here. I don't want to interrupt. You can continue showing to her.
That's all right. I went over most of it already. Going over it for my friend as well, but I just finished the judging app.
Okay, let me check the web app, admin app.
Thank you.
The coder, right?
Yes.
I think this happened to me. Go back to that thing. Just delete the dashboard from there and just reload it.
All right.
No, I meant like the dashboard part of the URL. Just
okay.
tab and reload it. Let's see. Yeah.
Oh.
It just gets stuck at some point. So just when you reload, it comes back. Because I don't see any other errors.
All right. Well, thank you.
You're welcome. Anything else? Otherwise, I'm switching between.
No, I think we're all good for now. I'm gonna share this for everyone to mess with.
All right. See you later.
See you. So there's the link for the administrative app. I guess it's still not pulling everything up. Worked last night, but generally you would see a full list of all the posters in there. You can filter out by, or sort out by like students, the discipline, the scores. So it's good for checking the results while you're the event's occurring. We have the same thing for the judges. You can see what they've done, what they've surveyed, what they still have to do. And then for when the event's finished and you want to get, like statistics for everything, we have a exporting tool, which isn't quite finished, but you would be able to get a comma separated value or a PDF report of the event. Somebody have any questions or anything they want to know about the app? So just to give you an overview, I'm on Team Comment Watchers. It's myself along with Gabriella, Greg, and Matt. We worked on the STaRS judging app. So the STaRS event is sort of like Create, and they left. Okay. So how you doing, Gabriella? Presentation. My name's Dakota. We have Gabriella here as well, and we're part of Team Comment Watchers. We worked on the STaRS judging app, which is an app for an event. It's kind of like Create. It's more of a science fair thing where students have posters, and the judges go around, score them on certain things. So it's like more of a competition, I guess. So it's actually two separate apps. So we have the Judges app here. So you pop it open. The first thing you see is the surveys that are assigned to you. We have an old version hosted right now, so it's a little bit different than what we're used to. But you'll be able to look at whatever you're supposed to do, click on those. We'll go to a survey that we haven't messed with, and you can just start grading the poster. You sit through their presentation, you have a good time, whatever, and you leave in notes if you want. You submit it off, and that survey is recorded. It's so much better than doing it by hand. So the other half is the admin app. I think this might not just work on my PC or being blocked by a firewall or something, but otherwise you'd see the full list of posters along with information like who worked on it, which teacher oversaw it, and then you'd see like how many times their entry was scored and like what the average score is. Same thing for the judges as well. So you'll be able to see, who the judges are, what surveys they're supposed to do, what have they done so far. These are handy for, during the event, so you can see what still needs to be done and what's finished already. And then we have a planned feature here for exporting the full results of the event. You can do it in either a comma-separated value or PDF. So that's wonderful for once it's over, just getting a full read of everything, tallied up the results for you. And I guess I will share these with you if you want to mess with it. So I'll take over for now. So, welcome back, Gabriella. Is your mic working this time? Uh-oh. In the we have the STaRS judging app here. So this is an app that's been made a couple semesters ago. We've took over and been improving it. It's for the STaRS event, which is kind of like Create. It's more of a competition thing. It's students set up posters. It's like a research project. And then a judge will come over there, kind of listen to a little presentation and score them. So there's actually two parts or two different apps, rather. We have the judging app here. We're running a slightly older version on the server. But it shows you, as a judge, it'll show you your assigned surveys, so which ones, you're supposed to work on. And it also shows you the ones that you've already finished. And let's say you go and for some reason you think this poster says synthesis characterization and gelation studies of N4 hydrohexanenyl alkamides. Sounds cool. It's not assigned to you, but hey, let's grade it anyway. Go over there, fill out the score, maybe type in a little note. And submit. So that is pretty cool because it'll save a lot of time compared to doing everything by hand. Let me go back to the home page here. I think the server might have went down again. Oh well. On the other hand, we have the admin app, which unfortunately doesn't work on my PC. But you have, you can see the entire list of posters and the entire list of judges if you want to, keep track of what's happening during the event. So you get to see live updates of the posters, how many times they've been graded, the scores that they've received, as well as the judges, what posters they've done, and how many posters have they done. And we have an unfinished feature here as well, but we'll have results exporting either in comma separated value or a PDF file, which would be really handy for when the event's over and you have to tally up the results. Just be automatic and error free. So I'm going to share some links with you if you want to try this out for yourself. Maybe you'll have better luck than I will. There you go. For the first one, the judging app, you can log in with the username STaRS 2019, password GGC123. The admin app, you can just click on that and get in there. So I'll throw the poster back up in the meantime. Gabriella, if you are still there, can you try to get your mic working?
Yeah. Can you hear me now?
Oh, yeah, here now. What's up?
Yeah, it's this collaborator thing.
It's not very good. Are you on mobile?
Yeah.
That's even worse. I'm sorry.
Mm-hmm.
There's also the survey, if you would please fill that out for us. We're just looking for any feedback, anything about layout, features, usability. That would be great. And also, if you have questions about the app or how we built it or anything like that, let us know. Is there anything you want to share, Gabriella?
No, I think you pretty much covered it. If we're just looking for any and all feedback, that would be super helpful, because we had quite an interesting time implementing these some of these changes. So if you find any bugs, that would be helpful as well.
When I took my first web technology class, I thought I didn't like web development, and then I started working on this project. I'm like, this isn't so bad. And then I worked on it over the last week, and I, went back to my first opinion. It's not very fun. Oh, hello, Grace. Thank you for joining us. Do you want to take over for this one, Gabriella?
Yeah, I'll do that. Okay, so welcome. This is our STaRS judging app. So basically what GGC does is that they have a STaRS event to grade students' research projects. And our project consists of 2 applications that judges will use. Well, judges will use a judging app to, and is putting it up right now. They will be able to log in and be able to judge the posters that are assigned to them. So the first thing that you see here are the posters that are going to be assigned. So if they want to click on one of the surveys,
There's an old version up there, so that doesn't work at the moment. But we can do this.
And from here, they'll be able to assign ratings based on the different fields for each poster. And at the bottom, we have an additional comments or any feedback that the judges want to make for the team. And then they should be able to submit it. And there we are. So then, because we have this event, someone's going to need to be able to administrate it. So we have a STaRS admin app as well. So an administrator will be able to come in, and as of this moment, it's not currently working on this machine. But when they click on reports for individual posters, the administrator will be able to pull data for each poster, including the number of surveys that have been done and the scores, and which judges have scored. So,
and then we also have a feature we didn't get to. We'll be able to export the results. Create survey link. Yes, we do. So here's the link that Dr. Gane wanted us to share. Hello and us. And then we also just received another link that I should share. Give me a moment to pull that up. Here you go. The second link there is from the Create Symposium Committee. So please fill that out also. And welcome, Anas. Gabriella, do you want to go over this again, or should I take it?
Nope, I'll go over it again. Okay, so again, this is our STaRS judging app. We have GGC does a STaRS event in order to grade student research projects. So we have two applications. The first one that we will go into is the actual judging app that the judges use in order to grade the posters that are assigned to them. So this is a little bit older version that we've ported. As of right now, it shows completed surveys, but the app that we worked on will show assigned surveys to that particular judge. They also have the option of looking at all of the posters that are available for judging. And in this version, if they click on one of the posters, that they are able to judge that specific poster. And from this page, they are able to rate each field for the specific poster to give it a score. And then at the bottom, leave additional feedback. And then it's submitted. So once it is submitted, the event administrator, which faculty assigned to take care of the scoring and judging, just the scoring, will be able to access this admin app. So from here, they're able to see the reports for individual posters, and which is currently not working on this machine. But when we post the links, you guys might be able to try it out, and hopefully you have luck. But from here, they should be able to see specific scores, which judges have surveyed the posters, and poster information. And then we also have a judging report as well. There is one thing that we have yet to implement, and that's allowing us to export the data to CSV or PDF, excuse me. And that is something that we were still working on before. So that is a basic overview.
I'm going to share links for these apps now. If you want to play around with those, share any feedback you have about usability or any other thoughts you have on it, that'd be wonderful. Thank you, Vaughn. Have a great day. So the first link there is for the judging app. You can log in with the username STaRS 2019 and the password GGC123. The second one is the administrator's app. You can just click on that one and it works. And then we also have a survey. Please fill it out so we can get a grade. And please include any feedback you think would be helpful. We also have a survey from the Create Symposium Committee. They just sent this off to me and asked us to send to y'all to fill out, so please do that as well. And in the meantime, if you have any questions, comments, or anything else about the applications, please let us know.